Have you ever wanted to create your own movie or show for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook? The good news is you don't need a Hollywood budget. Here are 10 simple ways to get started. Number 10. Start with a simple idea. Every great movie begins with an idea. Think about what story you want to tell or what message you want people to remember. Number 9. Write a short script. Keep it simple. Plan your beginning, middle, and ending so your audience stays interested from start to finish. Number 8. Use your smartphone. Modern smartphones can record amazing video. You don't need an expensive camera to make great content. Number 7. Choose a good location. Film somewhere with good lighting and a clean background. Natural daylight often gives the best results. Number 6. Record clear audio. People will forgive average video, but poor sound can make viewers leave. Speak clearly or use an affordable microphone if possible. Number 5. Add music and sound effects. Background music and sound effects can make your movie more exciting and emotional. Just make sure you use royalty-free or licensed audio. Number 4. Edit your video. Use beginner-friendly editing apps to trim clips, add transitions, subtitles, and visual effects to keep your audience engaged. Number 3. Create an eye-catching thumbnail and title. A great thumbnail and title encourage people to click on your video. Make them bold, clear, and interesting. Number 2. Share your movie on multiple platforms. Post your finished video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media to reach more viewers. Number 1. Keep practicing and improving. Every video teaches you something new. Learn from feedback, experiment with new ideas, and don't give up. The more you create, the better you'll become. Remember, every successful filmmaker and content creator started with their very first video. Your creativity, consistency, and willingness to learn are more important than expensive equipment. What's the first movie or show you'd like to create? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more creative tips and inspiration.